worked with a company that were very successful at winning smaller, lower value deals. But when it came to winning high value, bigger opportunities, the deals were stalling and they just weren't being successful. So I sat in on a meeting where they were presenting to a CFO. Now, the pitch was really polished. They were very confident. But when the CFO asked them, well, how is your solution going to help us improve our margin over the next 18 months? There was silence. The sales team did not know how to answer that question. Now, that's what I call them not being CXO ready. You see, the C-suite want to learn more about the impact the product is going to make on their business, not just learning about the product. They want to know things such as, how can we justify this investment at the boardroom level? Will it help us de-risk a certain situation? Will it help us to improve our financial performance? And if your sales team can't address those questions with confidence, then the bigger deals are going to stall. So here's a suggestion. If your team are going in to a presentation to pitch to the C-suite, then ask them these questions. What are the 3 key strategic objectives of the company and the C-suite executive they're going to meet? And if they can't answer those with confidence, they're not C-suite ready. What it boils down to is, if you want to win those bigger, high-value deals, then your team needs to be confident at the senior level, at that C-suite level. So if you want to win those bigger deals, coach your team to be C-suite ready.